Your doors are more than just entry points. They're essential for your home's security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. However, like any part of your home, doors can wear out over time and may need replacement. If you're wondering whether it's time to upgrade, here are the top signs you need a door replacement for your Kendall home. Difficulty opening and closing the door. If your door sticks, jams, or requires extra effort to open or close, it's a clear sign of trouble. This issue is often caused by warping. Changes in humidity, which are common in Kendall's subtropical climate, can cause doors to warp over time. Settling. Your home's foundation may shift, affecting the door's alignment. Wear and tear. Hinges and hardware can degrade, making the door harder to operate. A new door can resolve these issues, restoring smooth functionality while improving your home's overall comfort. Drafts or air leaks around the door. Feeling drafts near your doors is not only uncomfortable but also a sign of energy inefficiency. Gaps around the doorframe or worn-out weather stripping allow air to escape, making it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This inefficiency leads to higher energy bills as your HVAC system works overtime to compensate. Replacing your door with an energy-efficient model featuring advanced insulation and sealing can eliminate drafts and reduce your energy costs. Visible damage or wear. Doors are exposed to the elements every day, and over time, this exposure can take a toll. Look for the following signs of physical damage. Cracks or splits. These weaken the door's structural integrity and reduce its security. Rust or corrosion. Metal doors may show signs of rust, which can compromise durability. Dents or warping. These issues not only look unattractive but also affect how well the door seals. If your door has visible damage, replacement is often more cost-effective than extensive repairs. Water damage or mold growth. In Kendall's humid and rainy climate, doors are vulnerable to water damage. If you notice swelling or warping, this indicates that moisture has penetrated the door's material. Mold or mildew growth. Moisture trapped around the door can lead to health hazards and structural damage. Peeling paint or finish. This is a common sign of prolonged water exposure. A water-damaged door should be replaced promptly to protect your home from further issues. Outdated appearance. If your door looks outdated or doesn't match the style of your home, it might be time for an upgrade. A new, modern door can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal and make a great first impression. Energy-efficient doors come in a variety of designs, colors, and finishes, allowing you to choose a style that complements your Kendall home while improving functionality. Increased noise level. A door's job isn't just to keep people and elements out, it should also block noise. If your door allows outdoor noise to seep in, it may lack proper insulation or sealing. Replacing it with a solid, energy-efficient door can reduce noise levels, providing a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. This is especially valuable in busy areas of Kendall where traffic or neighborhood sounds can be disruptive. Higher energy bills. An old, inefficient door can lead to spikes in your energy bills due to poor insulation and air leaks. If your cooling costs have increased unexpectedly, your door might be part of the problem. New energy-efficient doors with insulated cores and advanced weatherproofing can help regulate indoor temperatures, making your home more energy efficient and cost-effective to maintain. Security concerns. Your door is your first line of defense against intruders. If it no longer feels secure or has visible weaknesses, such as weak or broken locks, worn-out locks are a major security risk. Cracked panels. These reduce the door's ability to withstand force. Loose hinges. Compromised hinges can make your door easier to breach. Upgrading to a modern door with reinforced materials and advanced locking systems can give you peace of mind. Frequent repairs. If you find yourself frequently repairing your door, whether it's the hardware, weather stripping, or the door itself, it may be time to invest in a replacement. Constant fixes add up over time, and replacing the door can be more cost-effective in the long run. Fading or discoloration. In sunny Kendall, UV rays can cause your door's finish to fade or discolor over time. While this may not affect functionality, it does detract from your home's appearance. A new door with UV-resistant coatings can maintain its look and provide better durability. Final thoughts. Recognizing the need for a new door. Your door plays a vital role in your Kendall home's comfort, security, and energy efficiency. If you notice any of the signs mentioned above, it may be time for a replacement. A new energy-efficient door not only resolves existing issues but also offers long-term benefits, such as lower energy bills, improved security, and enhanced curb appeal. Contact a trusted local installer to explore your options and ensure your home is equipped with a door that meets both your functional and aesthetic needs. With the right replacement, you can enjoy a safer, more efficient, and beautiful home for years to come.